Introducing My IPS. Click the icon in the top right corner, then select Register. Fill in the required fields plus any optional info you'd like to personalize. You'll get a confirmation email with your username and password. Use these to log in. Now create a list and give it a name. To add products, browse the catalog, add it to your list, then click Save. You can add products to your list from either the product overview page, but also on a product information page. When you are done, go back to the Save Products section on My IPS, click on your saved list and review everything. From this page, you can either share the list, move these products to another list, rename it, or delete it entirely. If you want to create a submittal package with this list, click on Build Submittal Package. Then enter your name, company, email, and any project details. In addition to data sheets, you can also include certifications and installation instructions. Check your inbox, click the red download button, and enjoy your custom submittal package. In addition to creating product lists and submittal packages, you can also save single downloads to My IPS. You can either do that from the Downloads tab on any product info page or from the Resources page. Then go to the Save Downloads section on My IPS to view your files.